I think Siraveda, some blood work. Yes, Siraveda. I think we'll get into that very fast. Siravedam is 3 sentences only. Let us get into that. One slide for all of your inquisitiveness. I have been dedicated everything for national honor and national pride and national heroes. One thing for all of us, not only you. The goodness in you makes you come here, and the inquisitiveness in you, or why should other college doctors come here? They're so inquisitive. They're so eager to improve themselves, and they're eager to improve the life of others. And that's why they're here. So this session is yours. It's the biggest session, so I thought it's best dedicated to you all. Next. First link, somewhere in 1999, the hostel terrace of Ayurveda College Trivandrum, Pujapura, those who know that place. Somebody was telling me from Maharashtra that he had a scorpio bite case when he was practicing. The pain was shooting from this hand till going till here, and he said, Srijit, मैंने तो उसका pain ऐसे कम कर दिया within a matter of 5 minutes. I said, भैया कैसे? Oh, put a needle, Siraveda. I said, what? So easy as that. We thought Shalyatantra PG people will only do it. What nonsense, he said. Anyone who is a Ayurveda graduate can do it. He gave me the first link. Scorpio bite, terrible pain. Of course, we have Arkapatra, Erikilakiri, and it's all good, I understand, no doubt. But if it's not there, so what to do? He said, I took the blood out, and the relief was instantaneous. That day in 99, I had a feeling it can be done. Next. Mahesh Patil, he had an interesting information to tell me. One of his friends was practicing GP, Ayurvedic doctor practicing GP. So he went in Diwali time to him. And he said that so much of skin rash, etc. on the face and all the eczema like. Then he said, what are you doing? He had Shamana after Shamana and whatever medicine after medicine, Allopathy, Ayurveda, everything, nothing working. He said, okay, now we will take blood out of your body right away. Because he felt the Rakta Dushti very clearly. Okay, fine. Blood was taken. When the blood came out, it was so frothy and black. The wife said, इतने गंदे खून वाले के साथ मैं जी रही थी. No, such a dirty blood it was to see. The point that clicked me this was 2000, I think 2001, Mahesh Patil, was that what is the point of having tons and tons of Manjishtadi Kashayam, Padoladi Ganam Kashayam, when a needle of 2 rupees can bring the bad blood out? My father-in-law is a pharmaceuticals, Athreya Pharmaceuticals. I don't know if he will like if I say this, because the medicine sales will come down if Anushastras are done plenty. But he is a very generous man, and he has always helped me to propagate this. So maybe a lot of medicines are not being sold, but it is quicker. A 2 rupee needle will clear off the bad blood. Then it's much easy for Manjishtadi Kashayam. Manjishta is adulterated anyway, as most people understand that. We can save the time and the effort of the patient and ours also. That link came from him. So next. Again, Parvaji sir was the instrumental. We go next. Dr. Padmanabhan says retired DMO. He is the one who taught in a case of scleritis having supraclavicular Siraveda. I haven't done it. He has done it. I just tell that it is also doable. We need to be careful though, obviously. So Siraveda, many people ask me, is it difficult? I said, what? A torth, a mug, a needle, finish. Avlandan, Siraveda. As simple as that. It's so simple as that. It's veterinary needle, of course, or butterfly. I prefer veterinary needle. It's faster, bigger, and more gush of water comes. Siraveda, avlandan. 3 things only. Because to make it glamorized, you use a tourniquet, and kidney tray is not needed. Even I always carry Siraveda needle with me. You never know when you get a chance to do it. So it's always in the first aid kit. So the indications we just fly off because it's in the PowerPoint. And now we get into, first years may relate it easily. First or second years, you say Dushtaraktam, Dushicharaktam. Is it a reality? Now you will go through these photos one after another. If you recollect the shlokas, the Fenilam, Marunam, everything is there. Next. The photos we can go through. I never had these kind of photos in my UG life, so I thought it's important you can see in your UG itself. So once, please hold the grathitam, as you say, a little behind the grathitam, that goli bole virum, like it will come. That's it. And that the frothy. Yeah, next. We can go forward. Yeah, like a monk, saffron. 1 second. My favorite, 4-in-1. 4 in 1 color in same person. It's nothing morphed, huh? It's a video of the same. I don't know how to morph anyway. It's 4 in 1 color. What is the point of using Padoladi Ganam when we know Kaduroni is so damn expensive? Very costly. Vivek Muaira, Ayera per kilo. Do you think every company can afford to add Kaduroni when the cost is 5,000 plus? I'm not questioning anyone. 5,000 or something, and we can clean off the blood in a different manner. 2 rupees needle. See why I am talking money too many times. I am from a middle class family. I'm not rich. So my heart always goes to that. My parents were teachers. So my mother has a family pension of 25,000 rupees or 30. Yeah, she was a retired teacher, central government. So I always think if what my mother comes as my patient, which many people write. I'm sorry to say that. I can't afford that. So that makes me keep the costs least. 1 second. This is an interesting case. I better say it now. She is my part-time sweeper post staff. This is the only case where the needle came out. Instead of remaining there, the needle itself jumped out. We'll see the procedure now anyway. So what happened was, this lady was having eczema, etc. I was treating with Guluchadi, then Manjishtadi, then Padoladi. You know, you keep on changing because, and the patient is your own PTS, your own staff. So then you get the stock medicine, then okay, refer to DMO. And so DMO also did the best possible, but then it's happening. Then I was like, what to do? So this was before meeting Parvaji sir. Then what happened? She said to me, "Sir, blood edukkunnu. Ende eduthilla itra naalayitte." Of course, in my mind I said, "Sister, Parvaji sir July 2010 boyullu." In my mind. To her I said, "Sister, idinakku oru samprapti ഘടകങ്ങളുണ്ട്. ഒരു പ്രത്യേക അവസ്ഥയിലാണ് അതൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. സിസ്റ്ററിന് ഇപ്പോൾ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടത്." Seriously, I was bluffing myself, not only to her. Shame. But you know, the reality is July 2010. എന്നാൽ പിന്നെ സാർ എൻ്റെ എടുക്കില്ല. പിന്നെന്ത് ഇപ്പം കറക്റ്റ് അത് കാണുമ്പോൾ പറയാം ഇനി എടുക്കേണ്ട സമയം ഇനി വൈകില്ല. So it was done. Imagine the blood was ready to come out. I was giving kashayam after kashayam. I should have done a shodhanam. Now don't tell me please 20 grams of avipatti every day. Come on, we have to go to office also. So it was done, and you see the black blood was like stagnant. This was causing it. So it's just that why I say this, the earlier we learn, the better we are. It's so easy. When Kalam sir, when I was with him, the golden 25 minutes he gave me in 2008, he said, and he says to many others also many times, when the student is ready, the teacher appears. I put it a different way. When the doctor is ready, the patient will appear for sure. So that's the message I got from there. The needle ejected out, but I put there after 2010 July. The word is after. So there's an event, you know that why it's July 2010. Next. Yes. Bad example. Patrakarku parichyam kodukanda avashyamilla. It is my mistake. You see, the beginning days, I should have put something glamorous, a white sheet or a green like that. Instead of using such substandard I did. I'm sorry for that. Like no, you show Mathrubhumi and some other newspaper white too. No, it doesn't look good. Patient is our standard illa, like feeling. So this is not the way you should be doing. Put something white or green or blue, whichever, so it looks nice in the photo also. Patient also will be, anyway patient losing some blood. No, let him feel good. Next. Also a wrong thing to do. We should not be having some, this kind of background of paper there. But those days, well, that was a bad example of appearance, not the procedure, of the appearance of how it should be done. Well, he is a great super specialist, if I say. He's a retired DMO now. And if anyone, his phone number is there. I have used his photographs, the dedication website also. If anyone seriously wants to learn things, he's the best faculty in Anushastra. I won't call him specialist. He's like super specialist. His experience is amazing. In the IFM department, we have the privilege of seeing the patient every day, except your weekly off. And Sunday, hardly many people will come. So in reality, the chunk, big force is 5 days. The Sunday is like so. So we get feedback every 3-4 days. So it's nice. So we know for a long time. And we are in one place for 3 years. We don't have bosses bossing us. We say, damn, if somebody tries to control me. So that's not the case anyway. So we have full freedom. There is no senior, junior, dingy-dangy. It's all very, we decide what we want and we do what we like for the welfare of patients. So we have a lot of data with us then. So he's one such, he's retired. Because for me, as I said, not only showing things here, but also what you can be doing later. Next. So let us take 2-3 examples. If you want to start with me, it's okay. I do on me Siraveda every year because better to clean oneself up. You can start with Babu sciatica, is easy, it's a leg area. Yes, you can put that. It was not easy to do it.
കൂടുതൽ കിട്ടാറില്ല, കിട്ടിയ ഏറ്റവും ബെസ്റ്റ്. ഞാൻ അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തോളാം. ഇങ്ങനെ വെച്ചാൽ ഇതാണ് ഏറ്റവും പിടച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ഇവിടെ. അങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്കണ്ട ബാബു, നോക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ നല്ലത്, അതാണ് ഏറ്റവും ബെസ്റ്റ്. നോക്കിയാൽ നമ്മൾ മനസ്സ് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും ആവുക. കണ്ടോ ചാടി വന്നാണ്ട.
And you should not be doing like this in darkness with some light. It's not the right way. But yeah, then when will electricity come? In the government sector, if God knows, it is good, or if the generator works. So you better do it then, because once you prepare the patient, or do it open air, it's still fine. But when you do open air, make sure the bystander is also there, so that something, we just have to make it fine. And sometimes give Dhanvantran Guliya to the bystander, because he will be the first one to faint. It has happened.
3 സ്പൂൺ കഴിഞ്ഞല്ലോ. 3 സ്പൂൺ അല്ല, 30 മില്ലിക്ക് മീതെ ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. 10 ml മാത്രം ചെയ്തിട്ടും ഇളകിയ ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്.
Two examples I must say in Siraveda, because it's a 2 rupees needle. Torth and mug is anyway there. Forward. In sciatica gridrosity, there's a clear indication of Siraveda mentioned. How many places it happens. I understand there are plenty of physicians, close friends of mine, who manage without Siravedam. But what about recurrence? So this is the question again. So anyway, we are not going to debate on who is doing what. 2 examples I must tell here is that how much blood to take out, etc. All those details are in the website. Again, I am not foul-mouthing, please. Whenever I say something critical, please don't mistake. I am not against anyone or any system. I am just asking on the basis of what the science tells. There's nothing that I have contributed. I am just quoting things. I won't say the name of the college. Somewhere in Kerala, a good friend of mine was posted there, internship. And then he tells about a situation. He was trained by Parvaji sir. He has seen all the Siraveda, Agni Karma, everything. He has seen fantastic, all managements. A lady, 21 days package. So 16 days over, no relief in low backache. She's a nurse somewhere in Gulf. And Kiri after Kiri is being done, Vasti after Vasti is done, all good and fine, nice, but not improving. So my friend said to the principal of the college, sir, ഞാൻ പർവായ സാറിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് സിരാവിധം റിസൾട്ട് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. പർവായ സാർ 9 മുതൽ 10 ദിവസമേ സയറ്റിക കേസ് വെച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കാറുള്ളൂ. സാർ അതിലങ്ങ് അപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ പറഞ്ഞു വിടും, നല്ല റിലീഫ് കിട്ടിയിട്ടാണ് വിടുന്നത്. സാർ എനിക്കൊരു ചാൻസ് തരാമോ സാർ സിരാവിധം ചെയ്യാൻ? നീ പഠിക്കാൻ വന്നോ പഠിപ്പിക്കാൻ വന്നോ? ഓക്കെ സാർ, ശരി. 17th day, the patient is telling this intern, he's a close contact intern, point of contact. Again, sir, I'm paying money here, no relief, etc. XYZ. And he said, madam, happening. 20th day, bill has to pay 21st day. But the facing the physician is not fun, no? For the patient and also for the physician to face the patient. Day, nee adu paranjalla Paravasanta technique. Nee cheyno? Ready? Of course. He got the chance for the first time in the history of that college of Ayurveda. I won't say where, is it private, public, I'm not going to say that. It's not necessary. Siraveda was done by this intern who came to learn. Fortunately, he's a student of Parvaji sir. He did within half an hour, I think 15 minutes to 20, fantastic relief. Why? All the Utkalesha, everything is done, it's not eliminated. Obviously, I think if you say that word colloquially. Patient. അത് മാഡം സംപ്രാപ്തിയൊക്കെ അങ്ങനെയല്ല ആയി വരുന്നത്. ഇതാണ് അവസാനത്തെ ചെയ്യുക. അതുകൊണ്ടല്ലേ അവസാന ദിവസം വെച്ചത്. മാഡം പായസം തുടക്കത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ വെള്ളം പോകും, സദ്യയിൽ ഇല്ലല്ലോ, അവസാനമല്ലേ? അത് തന്നെ ഇതും. Who are you bluffing, boss? And then the principal was obviously happy. എടേ നീ നന്നായി കേട്ടോ പറഞ്ഞത്. Then they started doing it. ഇത് ഇപ്പോഴാണോ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? That is a cost. The waste of time, the frustration of the patient. It's so clearly said in the Shastra. As I said, 3 simple things it is to do Siraveda. This is one example. Secondly, if you go to the indications, there was a lady who had burning sensation all over the body. I have 2 points to make in that. like a pre-menopausal, menopausal, whatever you say, 50, like that. So she came to me and I was looking for the indication blood edukkanamnu. So we are looking at Sarkar. She is the only patient in whom I had to prick 7 times, blood is not coming. In previous years, I have had at least 7 patients, prick chedu blood vanne illa. I hope today is not the 8th time. I won't be ashamed, but I hope today if I do, it's not the 8th time it happens. But it has happened in this lady, chronic severe body heat, the 4th last from below, 4th last. So, and she was asking, Doctor, you are easily putting the blame on the patient when you are yourself learning the process. So it is a possibility. So in advance, you tell your patient when you start doing, look, blood. And it is true also. Not every time we get the blood out. Exceptionally, lymph comes out, I don't know from where. So say that in advance. If you tell in advance, that is experience. When you tell after the flop has happened, that is lack of experience. It's the timing of telling. That is what matters. So in this lady, I did this. And then I'm looking out what is the impact. Because you need to know what happened. It happened successfully. 2-3 months went away. And no, it's a simple set. I'm a government doctor. There is a political party's office opposite to me. So for everything they will say whatever, I don't know. So you have to be very, politically correct when you deal with people also. So I'm looking for her for more than 2-3 months. I see her. She's a sweeper, I know, of different shops nearby. She goes for shop-to-shop cleaning. So bus stand, like I'm standing in the bus stand and I see her walking. Many times I'm very tempted. Sujay, I wanted to ask, but the problem is in front of the road, in front of all the shops, Sujay, I don't want to hear that. So, and she's not seen also. So then luckily her, not sorry for the word luckily, I don't mean that, but the occasion was luckily for me. The reason was not lucky for her. Her boy had a lot of feverish situation, like, he was in high fever, he came. I'm not saying luckily, but it went in my favor. She brought. I am looking at this lady, I am chasing her in my mind to know the feedback. She doesn't have a mobile phone, land phone is not there, and I sent through messengers to know Endai like that. I not getting, she is not carrying a damn on it. So I thought flop show anyway. Then she came, she is my focus, not the boy, because I want to know the feedback. I asked him everything, then when she took medicine, sister, obviously she is in my mind all the time to know the feedback. I said, sit down. Obviously, like the answer, like fat. I said, okay. Then she told me that after that Siraveda, all had that pogachil, this, that, all went off. Interestingly, I asked, Taleki Shirabala vecho, Chandanadi vecho, Balagulichadi vecho. Onnu illa. Doctor, Sarkar free medicine maayikkatha njan vera po agency po vera marudu maayikku doctor thonnundo. Then I got, wow, bingo. It's like you have a feeling then that the lasting effect of it. So this is why I say patients are lessons to us. I pretended very serious, that as if I was not much interested. Then I said, oru karyam undu, idu pinnem thirichu erati shaktiyode pinnem varum 3-4 maasam kazhiyumbol nan nekku sample maati vekkam edakkunnu vannu poya nannayirikkum alline erati shakti varum. So the next set of chunda for the feedback. It's all with good heart and intention, but we have to document. So what baffled me was somebody after 8 months also was telling the relief without a Shirabala. Forget about Drakshadi Kashayam, Vidyadi Kashayam to be had internally. Sarkar free medicine and she doesn't have the economy also, I know. Mobile phone borilla. I'm sorry to say that, I'm not offending her, but that's a fact. So why I use this word here, keep tracking your patients, then you know how long. Then you can tell the next patient. It's very important. For that, digital documentation is easy. Next, I think we go to the last video of Siraveda. We will not watch it fully, but we just watch the headlines only to save time. Complaints, she is narrating, procedure not perfect, needle out, so all these embarrassments can happen. I have a solution for you. You see, we are all same, but I am at least 20 years senior to you, perhaps to most of you. But we want to remove that 20 years between us. And there is a solution for that when you start your own practice on that. I have a PowerPoint that I will show you, single like a chart that will easily help you if you put in a clinic if you do. And then the procedure perfect, even though slanting. So you can see the videos later, wherein you will see how it's not the normal method I do. It's slightly different, but even that works. Because all that we need, if this is the lumen, we don't want it to be double puncturing. If this is the vein, lumen, we don't want it to be puncturing and reaching here. We just want like this so that it's still in the lumen. Otherwise hematoma, will go with Muruvenna, but why to create the trouble for Muruvenna? So those simple things are best taken care. You fill a straw, thick straw with Pepsi or whatever, red color, whichever is possible, Mirinda, and then you just prick it slantingly, the blood is coming out, you have a feel of that, easy. Vein, Siraveda is very easy because you just puncture and it comes out anyway. So, and you see feedback relief started when the procedure is on itself, and the lady is telling no more burning sensation. It is so quick. If somebody tells Ayurveda is not fast, I have my share of disagreement in many of the situations. I disagree to that. It's very fast, but cheyenda bole cheyana. No rocket science. It's all the textbook of medicine. When we have support like this or practical videos, it's a piece of cake. Very easy. Next, I think we'll skip it because no, it's all there and it's all in the website. I just wanted you to give a feel of it. Next, Thomas gout, I think last we see because the other videos are not much. Let us put the left leg procedure. Then we have a feel of how it is done.
ഇവിടെ തൊട്ടവേദനയ്ക്കോ? തൊട്ടവേദന ഉണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല അല്ലേ? തൊട്ടവേദന ഉണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. ഏറ്റവും ബൾജ് ചെയ്ത കാണുന്ന വെയിന് കണ്ടോ വരുന്നത് ഫ്ലോ ആയിട്ട് ഏറ്റവും ടെൻസായിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നതായിരുന്നു. ഫൗണ്ടൻ പോലെ വരും. ഇതൊക്കെ വേറെ ഷോയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഈ വെയിനൊക്കെ, പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ ഏറ്റവും ടെൻസ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടിരിക്കും. നോർമലി ഇത് ചെയ്താലുള്ള റെസ്പോൺസ് പറയുന്നത് മിക്കവാറും അന്ന് രാത്രി റിലീഫ് എന്ന് പറയും. ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്ന ചില പേഷ്യൻസ് ഒന്നുകൂടെ ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് പറയും. ആ റിലീഫിൻ്റെ അത്ര ഏത് മെഡിസിൻ കഴിച്ചാലും അലോപ്പതിയിൽ എത്ര ഡയബറ്റീസ് എന്ന് കഴിച്ചാലും ഈ ഇമ്പാക്റ്റ് ബ്ലഡ് ലെറ്റിൻ്റെ അത്രയും കിട്ടില്ല. കാരണം ഇതിൻ്റെ ബേസിക് റീസൺ ഇതാണ്. ഉണ്ടോ ടാപ്പ് പോലെ പോകുന്നതുണ്ടോ? അത് ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഇത് കുറയും. കറുപ്പല്ല, നമ്മൾ ബ്ലഡ് റെഡ് എന്നല്ല വകുപ്പ്, കറുപ്പ്. ഇതിങ്ങനല്ല, ചിലത് കോൾട്ടാർ പോലെ വരും തന്നെ, ചിലത് ഫ്രോത്തി ആയിട്ട് വരും. നാളെ മുതൽ നമ്മൾ ഈ ലേബലിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയും, അതൊക്കെ ഇടും. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ ബ്ലഡ് എടുക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല, ആ കൂളിംഗ് എഫക്റ്റ് കിട്ടും. പിന്നെ ഇതിൻ്റെ താഴോട്ട് എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ ഈ ക്ഷീരധാര എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. ബ്ലഡ് പോകുന്ന പ്രശ്നമാക്കണ്ട കേട്ടോ, ഇറ്റ് വിൽ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓൺ. വേറെ വിഷയങ്ങളൊന്നുമില്ല. $400 മില്ലി വരെ പോകുന്ന ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. ഇത്ര കറുപ്പ് കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. കുറേ ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ തനിയെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ആവും, ഡ്രോപ്പ് ആയിട്ടേ. താഴോട്ട് പോകുന്നുണ്ട്.
The Siraveda was done in the mid-air. He can't even pound, not this leg, the other leg. He can't even pound the leg. Doctor, കാല് താഴെ കുത്താൻ പറ്റില്ല. പിന്നെ ഡോക്ടർ എന്താ കുത്താൻ പറയുന്നത്? So that is the amount of tenderness. The point to do Siraveda, of course the website will tell you, nevertheless very easy. Sparsha, Vesha. Severe tenderness. Of course, red is no need to tell red, it is red anyway. And secondly, the point is that the out and the tensing, that is a medical side of it, they don't tell. Giving you fair indication. Then we will say some Ayurveda Nothing like that. Very fast. Dispensary, allopathy doctor, homeo doctor referring their cases. Vice versa also happens, no doubt on that. But we have gained that respect, if not the authority, where allopathy people refer to us. So it is a dispensary, only 4 of us, limited medicines, 4 or 5 kashayam only, we do it. Of course, you have a private clinic, you will have more medicines. Not doable. So that is how you know when to do the Siraveda, not only which condition to do. Ask stage already kya ho? That is what matters, no? And do it before it, no use. You have to do the right time, the effect is fantastic. And when do you find the result? That's the next thing. The results can be seen sometimes within minutes. No exaggeration, within minutes to maybe 2 to 3 hours the same day for most people when it's acute. It can go up to 1 week also. You may not have any result. See, it is Rakta Varna Vata, no? So if you don't deal with Rakta, then how do you treat the remaining Vata actually? So that is why you have to get the blood out, be it Siraveda or Sringa or whichever mechanisms. In that context happens the comparison. ചേച്ചി അലോപ്പതി കഴിക്കുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ റിസൾട്ട് ആ ഡോക്ടറെ ഒരു 25 മുതൽ 45 മിനിറ്റ് ആകുമ്പോൾ പതുക്കെ ഒന്ന് കുറഞ്ഞു തുടങ്ങും. പിന്നെ എത്ര നേരം നിൽക്കും? ഒരു 12 മുതൽ 16 മണിക്കൂർ നിൽക്കും കുറവ്. പിന്നെ പഴയ പോലെ ആവും. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത ദിവസം ആകുമ്പോൾ 24 മണിക്കൂർ ആകുമ്പോൾ കൂടിയിരിക്കുമോ? ഉറപ്പല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഒന്നുകൂടെ പ്രൂഫ് എടുത്ത് കഴിക്കും. എത്ര നാൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ കുറേ മാസം എടുത്താണ് കഴിക്കുന്നത്. കാഷ്വൽ ചേച്ചി കിഡ്നി അടിച്ചു പോകും. വൈ യൂസ് ബട്ട് ദ ചേച്ചി majority are ladies, so that's why it's more ചേച്ചി coming. So easily 60%, 70 are ladies in our place, maybe different elsewhere. So then we can say always look, proof in how long, and are you going to damage your kidney, and XYZ. That sometimes you have to say. You get rid of this easily. Sringa helps in these situations very much better also. So why I say this word, you have to compare. Gender science നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് ഓഫർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അലോപ്പതിയിൽ അങ്ങനെ respecting. But then the public feels that I am given a wide lunch, variety items in the way Mumbai reporter. I will choose what I want, and they make it feel good for themselves by that way. So Siravedam is done. I think the video is just now we are showing one each of the video. എന്താ വിഷയം? varicose. അപ്പോൾ we need the Siravedam. I cannot promise you that I will get blood out of him. So please, varicose അല്ലേ? പ്രച്ഛാനത്തിൻ്റെ because what we do here in Prachanam, we can do in many manners. We simply have to tie the tourniquet, obviously, and it's like very quick. We usually make the steam, but whatever like situation, even spirit is still okay, and we make sure that we are quick, making. The Prachana video is there, we will see that, but let us respect the situation of today, and then we go to that. Like no, you see in the textbook, it is like no ekadeshastam. They say, agreed. So in situations where there's a bit of Lasika Srava and we know it's more superficial, the Prachana of course has a local effect. Siravedam is anything more than one stretch to stretch. I don't know how to say this. One Hasta Pramana is up to the Jaluka's area of, you can't expect a bullet to be reaching 5 kilometers away. Missiles will, but not a bullet. So the Jaluka will be localized effect, fantastic. And Siravedam is a full body. And Prachana is a localized area, so it is not at all going to be easy for him, I understand. അതെ ഇപ്പം എന്താ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട്? ഡോക്ടർ അപ്പം വിൽ അപ്ലൈ ദ സ്പിരിറ്റ് and then we'll keep pricking. So what we typically do there, we of course tie the tourniquet, agreed. We make an oil application and we make the steam, and then we do fast because the steam heat, it will just kind of camouflage the difficulty they are facing. So we should be very I am Guliga practice only. It won't be enough. There are plenty of people you have to compete with. Okay അല്ലേ? ഒരു ഏരിയ ഇച്ചിരി കൂടെ കൂടുതൽ ബ്ലഡ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് തനിയെ നിന്നോളൂ. നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. താങ്ക് യു. യെസ്. ആരാ പേഷ്യൻ്റ്? അദ്ദേഹം അല്ലേ? ആക്കി 3 ഡെമോ ആക്കിയിട്ട് പിന്നെ പവർ പോയിന്റിൽ പോയാൽ മതി അല്ലേ? 3 ഡെമോ ഇത് മാത്രം അല്ലേ? ശരിയാവതം ചെയ്യാം. അതാദ്യം ചെയ്യാം ഡോക്ടർ അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ, കാരണം അത് കുറേ സമയം എടുക്കുമല്ലോ. I think we have a Siraveda demo. Where is the doctor? Shringam and Shringam. So it is better because when we start Siraveda right away, we have to keep in mind that the patient is done the local Snehan, local Svedan, we say Palkanyi, no, Shirevagu had 45 minutes before it is done. That is mixed with Grita, maybe Gulgulu Tiktaga, maybe Mahatiktaga, doesn't matter, whichever. And all this is had and patient is in front of you. So you have to imagine that 45 minutes ago all these things were done. Sorry, not this, these local Abhyanga and the local steam is done now. And then we should pray to God that the blood comes out. I did that when I was coming here, Dev mein blood varanai. No, because you never know it cooperates or not. And what is the point of being a faculty and being a now laughing stock for others? But that is one thing you can't guarantee. Others, you decide it will come. Here, the patient's body will decide. So what I thought was it's better that we keep on going with Siraveda, and in the process, if we can do a PowerPoint, because anyway the patient is lying here or sitting here, we can mind our business with all respect to his presence, and of course looking at him or her attentively. One of us will be standing behind. Then we can finish our portions. In Siraveda, of course, necessary to stop the blood thinners, etc. Ecosprin, that 2 days, 3 days before. Why to have a risk? And of course, CTBT, clotting, bleeding times, and HB, platelet, just is safer. All these things are in the website. There's nothing to be. We are here. We are more interested with the process itself. Doctor, in the varicose vein. Varicose vein is generally easy, but that undab or irikina doesn't always cooperate. That rounded, it's always the linear ones that usually becomes easy. Yeah. So already steam done, everything is done and set. And we have 4 fingers to be used above, but we are looking for these kind of things. I don't know if the camera can zoom in. They don't necessarily always cooperate. They look fantastic and big and bulged, but they don't necessarily always cooperate. So we are looking for a linear patch. I will opt for this. Chechi enda buddhimutta? Kala madakam prayasa. Etra madakum? More like ONE, you call it Sandhigata Vadam, whichever, but we have to look at the face of the disease, whether it is AMA stage or Nirama. The AMA stage is very easy to know. Ravile irunekkumbo vedana koodalana, choodu kollumbo aashwasam undu. If it's Nirama, kore nadakkumbodathekku vedana koodalana. The first thing needs more of lepana and upanaha, etc., whatever. But the second thing needs more of a Snehana, Gandhadailam group of things like that. So let us differentiate that. In this case, the range of mobility is lesser. Chechik etra madakam to maximum? Vedana undo nadakkumbo? Already ആശ്വാസത്തിലാണ്. വേദന എപ്പോഴൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്? നടക്കുമ്പോഴാണോ അതോ രാവിലെ എഴുന്നേൽക്കുമ്പോഴാണോ കൂടുതൽ? എഴുന്നേൽക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് കൂടുതൽ വലിച്ചിലുണ്ട്. ആ, ഇപ്പം കാലം എത്ര മടങ്ങും മാക്സിമം ചെയ്യാം? അത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? ഇത്രയും വരെ മാക്സിമം. ശരി, ഓക്കെ. സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് ആകാം. ഡോക്ടർ, ഇതൊരു സ്പോട്ടാണ്, ബട്ട് നോട്ട് വെരി ക്ലിയർ. എന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടെ കെട്ടിയേക്കാം ഡോക്ടർ. We will try for this area. The needle insertion, again, we don't want to double puncture. And very importantly, please be sure, sometimes the blood may not come even if it started from the vein, simply because, Doctor, needle and simply because, and always nice to open the needle in front of the patient so that where are feeling. People think so many things. It's all possibilities. So let us make sure that you have to create the sound that it is freshly open in front of them. So what happens is, even if the blood has entered here, the blood doesn't come out sometimes from here, simply because there was a factory error that it is clogged here. The patency is very important. ആ സമയത്ത് ചമ്മൽ വേണ്ടാലോ. Tell in advance, factory കാർ കുഴപ്പമുണ്ടാക്കിയെങ്കിൽ ബ്ലഡ് വന്നാലും മൊത്തയ്ക്ക് പുറത്തേക്ക് വരത്തില്ല. Just tell that in advance. It's all so many things. That is experience when you say, when the mess up has happened, flop has happened, അത് ഫാക്ടറിയിൽ പിഴ പറ്റിയാന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് ചേച്ചി. അതിപ്പോഴാണോ പറയുന്നത്? That becomes not nice. So you have to present yourself very clearly. So I prefer this usually. I hope blood comes, inshallah. It may or may not. I am saved. Thank you. Because as you see, the one that you saw was not a very, like a unda bole, no. It was a kind of small like, but it was tensed. You know, so that patient will typically say that, I'm so grateful doctor is here because I should be the one doing and collecting it, but it's not easy talking and everything. The patient will say, doctor, so that is the spot where we know we have to prick. Because the Koshta Shuddhi is not enough, we need the Shakha also to be Shuddhi. That is the message we get. So that becomes very easy. Now the quantity of blood to be decided, the body decides, agreed. But if the blood color starts to become red, which we generally know in a tray easily, then of course it's a good blood, we don't want that to go out. And secondly, if the patient tells some difficulties, it is not. Shastra says 960 ml, but then once I had unknowingly, unintentionally crossed 1300 ml. I took the video of that. It was a very interesting situation. The patient had once done the bloodletting. He wanted to redo it. Many will ask. Many will ask. And the blood, very few people ask. He was one such. He had such a profound relief 2-3 years ago. He wanted to have it again done. He insisted me. I said, look, it's a dispensary. I can't do very easily. It's based on IPD, etc. He said, fine. Then our calculation went a bit outside because it was a big tray like this. And it just went a bit more than. So ultimately it was more than 1.3 liters, which is 3 blood donations in one shot. Only one case, but he's still no problem. But he was very tired for 3 weeks. But he was, strong sattva, physically, mentally strong man, so he could afford and he just managed it. If it's for somebody less stronger, then I was in trouble. But I don't know how it went, but the miscalculation happened. So in these situations, always better, don't close the eyes, but let them lie down, so that you see their eyes and you know whether they're feeling bad or not. They should not see it, that's only a target. You put the leg below, they won't see it anyway, that's fine. Keep the bystander away, sometimes it is good. They will create the scene, sometimes. Now it's almost stopping, actually. And when it stops, we remove it. As I said that the results can be immediate and can be even 7 days, but it is all very acting fantastically. What happens is, the confidence of the patient increases profoundly on the doctor. That is what happens typically. So what happens is, you get a connect with the patient to follow up. And that is very, very important. As I told you, mug, torth, needle. I don't prefer butterfly needle because this is better, more gauge, and more diameter, more comes out quicker. Because in butterfly, it may clot after a while. Because it's all the way, it just quickly gets dried up. So I'm happy with this. Veterinary needle, this is veterinary needle, number 18. It is always worthwhile to carry a Anushastra kit with us. I always carry needle with me because you always have a chance to help somebody. So it's very useful even as an acute pain. Ready? Sringam ready? 150 ml. Maximum 200. I think, we can go up to 240, but 150, 200 is decent. I hope your feeling with Anushastra is nicer in the last 4 hours. I hope that it's not a big deal. If I can do it, you can do better than me. This is what I wanted. I told you very clearly, in the first shot of the PowerPoint is the clarity and the confidence. This is what was our objective. I think if I'm comparing the eyes, constantly I look into the eyes of people. That's why I'm looking also different. The eyes seem to be confident, is my feeling. I hope so. It is almost stopping actually, but sometimes you also have to make sure that when you have the minimum, like you can say 4 ounce is okay, 120 ml is fine, you get results. But even in 1 ounce, people get result. The best I had from somebody was just 10 drops and the pain was relief. So it is all possibilities. Even 20 ml is okay. We already have bonus 150 here. So I thought if it stops now, it's good. If she tells some difficulties, we stop. Feedback. പറഞ്ഞോട്ടെ.
ആദ്യം നല്ല വേദന ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ഇപ്പോൾ നീര് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു കാലിന്, ഇപ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് കുറവുണ്ട്. സ്റ്റെപ്പെല്ലാം കുറേശ്ശെ കയറാനുണ്ട്.
Anything better than nothing. A short-term effect that has come, it will have a long-term ripple effect for sure. But in half an hour time, if you make life better to somebody when they leave your clinic, it's just nice. It gives a hope, and we sustain on hope.